Jollof rice is one meal you can never get tired of, especially if you are in Nigeria or a Nigerian. Today, let me put you through on how I make this perfect party jollof rice at home. It's so yummy, easy to put together, and everyone enjoys it. Today, I use this toasting method. I first of all fried or toasted my tomatoes, shombo, and pepper with vegetable oil. To achieve this party jollof effect, you don't need to cook your rice the first time. I soaked with very hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes. So back to our tomato paste. These are onions, ginger, garlic, shombo, fresh tomatoes, and of course onions. Toast all of that together until they are as soft as you can see on the screen. Go ahead and blend them into smooth paste and keep aside for the proper Let the cooking begin. Now go back to your rice. Properly wash this. Thoroughly wash it up to 2 to 3 times until the water runs into your aluminum pot. Go in with vegetable oil. Saute your onions and fry your tomato paste first if you'll be using, and if not, skip the part and go ahead and add your tomato mix. Fry all of that together until the oil settles on top, just as you can see in this video. Then go ahead and add spices of choice, and of course I'll be using Knorr cubes. This seasoning cubes is a banger on jollof rice, especially the beef seasoning cube. Okay, go ahead and add all of that together and stir to combine. Go in with salt to taste. Mind you, cooking jollof rice does not require crayfish, so please do not add crayfish for your jollof rice to come out so Mix nice. All of that together and go in with your meat stock. If you don't have, you can add just a little water for it to loosen up, and then cover and allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes, just like this. Once that is done, your rice base is ready. So go ahead and stir until everything is properly mixed. And now go in with your already washed rice. Remember, we've washed our rice, and now we'll be adding it bit by bit. Stir properly to combine as you add your rice bit by bit, just as you can see. Jollof rice in Nigeria is actually the heartbeat of party in every part of Nigeria. Once it comes to jollof rice, everybody will be willing to enjoy this delicacy. Do you like jollof rice? This video will make you to understand the easy steps of how to make party jollof. Okay? If you're watching up to this point, thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and drop a beautiful comment for me. I will appreciate that. So back to our rice. After adding that and mixing all of that together, go ahead and add little water, just a little water. Today we'll be using the steaming method, so it doesn't require so much water. Cover and allow it to cook for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure to check on intervals to avoid overburning your rice, okay? Once the rice is 80 to 90% cooked, add a little bit of margarine. This enhances the taste and make the rice to stay bit by bit, not being molded together. That is the work of this margarine on jollof rice. Cover that and allow it to sit for next 2 minutes. Just as you can see, our rice is very much ready. Mix together and make sure you allow your rice to get burnt a little bit. You see that bonbon part? That is what makes it party jollof, the real jollof thing in Nigeria. I hope you found this video useful, and please don't forget to drop a comment, like, and share. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, because I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself and enjoy your jollof rice. Bye.